In this video, we're going to go through and make sure that your social media, Google Business Profile, and other accounts are integrated. So we will locate the settings option on the left side. And then we're going to look for something called integrations here on the left. And it's kind of down at the bottom right there. And then this is where, you've already connected your calendar probably, but if you haven't, you can connect it here. We want to connect in any ad accounts, Google Analytics accounts, because all that data can come in. And you can have multiple accounts added here. So this account has a calendar that I want to make sure we watch so we don't get double booked. And then this is our main, which connects us right into Google Analytics. I would bypass the reserve with Google. This is something that is really tricky to set up. If you do want it, please let us know. We'd be happy to help. Very important. Every business needs to have a Google Business Profile. If you need help setting that up, let us know. We'd be happy to help you. And you're going to connect it here, and then it's going to ask you, which pages. Some people have, multiple profiles. So we can select this and then just hit connect and confirm. Now, what else do we need to hook up? Facebook and Instagram. So we want to connect those. You're going to manage pages. Again, we'll go through and select, and I have a lot of clients that I work with that I've set up myself. But let's say I want to make sure that any leads come in from here are going to go into the system. And then we just hit update. And then if there are fields on a form in that system in Facebook, if you have a lead field or a lead form, you're going to click configure field mapping. And then it just looks to see if you have any forms out there for advertising, and we can edit the fields and map them appropriately and then turn it on or off. I'm going to go back to integrations and we'll keep working down the list. QuickBooks, great thing if you use QuickBooks to manage your finances, invoices, transactions, all of that can be done through QuickBooks. And there's also configurations or setups for Wave, Clio, Stripe, which is the system I use for payment processing. If you have a Shopify account, we can connect to that. TikToks, LinkedIn, Slack is a great thing to connect. Printful is an interesting option. If you have a new customer that signs up and you want to send them a new notebook, the system can automatically provision a notebook for them and get it in the mail. And there's some more options they've been adding. Printify, Shippo, if you're shipping, another ship option. A lot of people use WooCommerce with WordPress. And there's WhatsApp. ClickUp is another popular option. Notion. And then this allows you to sync your Google contacts or your email contacts with the system. So let's say you get an email from someone and you add it to your contacts and you want it to come into First Contact, it will. And there's some even more options down here. So integrations is where it's at. We want to make sure that you get everything connected. And please let us know. We provide white glove service and we'll help you.